Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys another Temu haul. I know I've been kind of on a Temu binge, but they have a lot of great things. I will leave all the links down below for the items that I purchased, but let me show you guys what I got, and I'm also going to throw in two little items that I got from Amazon. But this is a fall theme haul, and I can't wait. I'm so excited. This is all pure stationery. It's like little planner supplies. But let's start with this one. These are really cute. These are some mini mats, and these are perfect for on the go and just like when you're doing little projects. So this is a set of 6 assorted colors mini cutting mats, and they're 3.15 by 3.15 inches, and they are nice and hard, so very sturdy. They don't feel, you know, like they bend or anything like that, as you can see. I love the colors that are in this one. So I got the pink, I got the blue, I got this like green color, then the purple, a darker green, and then like a mint teal almost kind of color. So I love these, very cute. And then next I got some fall theme washi tape, and this is the autumn washi tape set. So I got 12 rolls in here, and I was just kind of excited to see how these look. These are going to be perfect for the upcoming like fall spreads. There we go. So let me show you each one. Look at how cute. So this is the amount that you get in each roll. Look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness. I love them. There you go. And then you got these. So cute. Some more right here. And then these right here. And this is why I got it. The little truck with the sunflowers and the pumpkins in the back. So pretty. This is such a cute little washi set. I love it. So came in this really cute packaging. Alright, so next I got these half cut tape sets. These are actually pre-cut. So I was watching a YouTube video. Someone did a haul with these kinds of like washi cut tapes, and they said that you have to read, if you want them pre-cut, you have to read the description to make sure that they say pre-cut, because otherwise they will not come pre-cut and you almost have to like fussy cut them. So that's a good little tip for you guys. But look at how cute this is. Here we go. Alright. It's such cute packaging. I love it. Here we go. So there's 4 rolls in here. And then let me see if we can open one. I kind of want to roll one out for you guys so that you can see what it looks like. Oh, there we go. Look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. So yeah, so when they say pre-cut, it means that the sticker is already cut and it will come off. The ones that are not pre-cut come like this, but you have to fussy cut around them in order to take out the adhesive. So make sure they're pre-cut unless you want to deal with all that fussy cutting stuff. But look at how cute this is, you guys. Oh my goodness, such fall vibes. I love it. So pretty. Oh my goodness, these are so cute and so worth it. Look at how gorgeous that is. And you get a lot of sticker. A lot of sticker. I love these. Oh my goodness. their outfits, their hair, the coffee, the leaves, everything. All right, now let me roll this up. All right, next let's move on to the other one. I kind of just want to open them all so that you can see them. That way, you know, you can decide if you want to get them or not. But these are definitely worth it, you guys. And these are very popular actually right now within the planner and journaling community especially. So look at this one has a, uh-oh, I don't want to end up, oof, okay. Here, this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so these are pretty popular right now within like the journaling community. So look at how cute. All this one has leaves because this one has the girls, so then you can use the leaves to just kind of decorate and create your theme. Look at that branch with the leaves. Oh my goodness, this is just so pretty. The colors are stunning. It has this shiny little gloss to it, which is really good. There's some little tiny quotes and phrases in there as well. Oh my goodness, so cute. I will roll those up back when I'm done. Let's go through this one right here. I think we still have to go through this one as well. After this video, I'm going to sit here and roll them back into its place. Let's see. I just don't want the same thing to happen with the other one. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay, so this one is scenery. Look at this one's scenery, architecture, building. Oh, that little house with the leaves. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show my daughter these stickers. I kind of had given her a preview of the box and she was like, oh my god, let me see what the stickers look like after you have shared them with your followers. But look at these. Oh guys, this is so cute. Doesn't it make you feel like you're literally inside fall? And these are a really good size actually. These are a really good size for like my monthly planner, which look at that. The little train. Oh my goodness. So cute. I love it. I'm obsessed. Obsessed. I have a big mess now. Alright, let's go through the last one. This is the last roll. Again, let's open this carefully because I don't want... Oh, see? They're getting stuck. Okay. Now what is this one? Oh, okay, so this one's like decorative pieces. So you got like the little mushrooms, the pumpkins, the basket with the pumpkins. Oh goodness, these are just so gorgeous. You got the umbrella. You got the basket with all the pumpkins and the fruits and the vegetables. Again, really good sizes, you guys. And you can tell the cut is really good. They come off really nice. And I think these are actually waterproof and they are, I think, reusable as well. Really cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm obsessed. Officially obsessed. Now I want to go get the other ones. They sell a lot of different themes. So now I kind of want to just go and get them all. Alright, lastly we have this sticker book right here. And this one is 20 sheets, large size, autumn stickers. And these are also waterproof as well. But look at how big these are. So this book is about 8.5 inches tall, which is really nice. I mean, just from the back alone, you can tell the stickers are going to be so good. The quality is really good. So the theme I got was the falling leaves. And I'm just going to give you guys a flip through so you can see them. Wow. Okay, these are so pretty. Look at the little hats. It feels so cozy. You get little quotes in there. The little dog with the leaves, the pie, the fireplace, the little house. And I love the quotes and the words. I love how they're bolded and then some not bolded. So if you want to layer, you can definitely create a whole, like, how cozy is that? Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm definitely going to end up getting more of these sticker books. And the brand of this one, let's see. I think it's the Bucat. Oh no, these are the Bucat. These don't have a brand, but if you search for, I think, planner stickers or journaling stickers, they should generate. So make sure you check them out. Oh, and then you get like planner type stickers, so like planner layout type stickers. So you get like check boxes and little banners to decorate. Washi strips, very nice. And actually all of these washi tapes that I got, I made sure that they went well with the theme of all of these stickers. So you guys, I'm pretty set for fall. Do you know how many spreads I can create with this? Look at this. I mean, these are just gorgeous, and these are also pre-cut just so that you can see. Again, make sure you get them pre-cut. There we go. And they have that transparent background that I love because they just blend in so nicely. The dog with the little house, the boots. I mean, this is absolutely stunning. What a great art book. The artwork in here is just absolutely beautiful. But that's it for my Temu haul. Let me show you guys quickly what I got from Amazon. So I got a new work purse from Aldo. It's just like a little black tote bag. It's very sleek and chic. And so I'm like, it's time to start decorating my bag with my fall charms. So I got these two right here. I got this little tumbler in like a beige color tone. And this actually opens up because you can just kind of put in your chapstick in here. I am the kind of person that has chapsticks everywhere, like literally everywhere. I need to make sure that I always have a chapstick to my reach. But how cute is that? And then I also got this one because it is so me. I think this one is so cute. And I think this one was handmade. Look at that. I absolutely love my donuts, my bread, my croissants, and my coffee. So when I saw this, I was like, it's so me. I gotta get it. So it has the little charm right here. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of just take this one, and then I'm going to take this, and I'm going to kind of just pop it on here, and then look at how cute that is. Perfect for the fall. I also got these little lip balms at TJ Maxx. They're by Ellen Tracy, and they're really cute. So what I started doing is I started making them into charms as well. And I have a lotion coming, a few things from Bath & Body Works with like fall scents and fall colors. So I'm going to incorporate them on my charms as well. And I can just kind of hang them up right here. I have this one. I'm going to make it for my daughter. And yeah, that's kind of what I've been doing, little like lip charms. I saw them on Pinterest and I'm like, that's such a cute little idea. But that's pretty much it, you guys. If you see my desk, it's a big mess. I have a lot of cleaning up to do right now, but I love everything that I picked up, and I can't wait to start playing around with these fall themed stickers. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!